In this video, we're going to take a look on how to play the D major chord. The D major chord looks like this, and we're only using strings 4, 3, 2, and 1, or also your D, G, B, and your high E string. We don't really use the 6th string, which is your low E string, as well as the 5th string, which is your A string. Although you can put that A string in there kind of as more of a bass note. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just kind of personal preference at that point. This chord, a little trickier to fret than some of the other ones that we might have done in the past. What we'll do is we'll take a look at this one. We're going to use our first 3 fingers, your index, middle, and ring finger for this one. The first note of the chord is an open D string, so we don't have to worry about that because it's open. For the 3rd string, I'm going to take my index finger and put it on the 2nd fret. For the 2nd string, I'm going to take my ring finger and put it on the 3rd fret. And then for my high E string, the 1st string, I'm going to take my middle finger and put that on the 2nd fret as well. So a little tricky there if you haven't had a chance to really play that type of configuration before. So again, open on the 4th string, the 3rd string will be on the 2nd fret, the 2nd string will be on the 3rd fret, and then our 1st string will be on the 2nd fret as well. All right, so that is our D major chord. And if I do note for note, D major chord.